Welcome to Concept Garage Equipment. Let me show you our range of vehicle lifts we offer here, starting with our C42E. This is a 4-ton lift and available in single phase or 3-phase. It comes with some really great features, including the electric lock-in release system. Let me show you some other features. We have the 3-stage arm. This gives us a wide range of vehicles you can lift, plus it comes with sill protectors, door protectors, post caps, post curtains and anti-tow trap bars. With this lift, you will also receive an extension kit, which includes a 70 and 105mm extension, which mounts tidily on the side of the posts. If you're looking to lift something a bit heavier, this lift also comes in a 5-ton model too. If you're looking for something to fit a budget, you have the option of our C42M, which gives great value for money. This range of lifts also come as a clear floor option.